Hi, I'm Ken Roberts, and welcome to my home. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how you can make your home more energy efficient. This unit really can help you reduce your use of fossil fuel because it is very efficient. It works on electricity, obviously, but while it's working and cooling us or heating us and heating the room here, it's not causing the furnace to go on in the rest of the house, which is the biggest part of the house, or it's not causing the air conditioning to go on in the other part of the house. I look at it from air conditioning and heat, reducing our electric bill, just making life